Hey, how's it going? And today I'm going to be doing an exhaust cutoff for my buddy Tom. He's got a 2010 Baja Chevy boys. Custom fenders, they're all fiberglass. Look how much wider it is in stock. Like, it's insane. It's really hard to tell other than there. Look how much that fender pops out. It's all fiberglass. It's insane. So his truck here, it has factory exhaust on it, and we don't want that anymore. We're gonna throw in a cutout. So when he hits a button at the dash, it will open a valve and we'll make it straight pipe other than cat. So it'll really open her up. It's gonna sound so much better. So we're gonna do a little bit of a dump on it. We got some 15-degree cuts ready to go. And then I'm gonna take it all together and then we're gonna throw her on the truck and see how she sounds. Oh, I missed a spot right there. Almost there though. Then we'll let it cool and then we'll resurface this. And then we can weld it to this. Know what I'm saying?
Okay. Does that have a coating on it or anything?
I just gotta resurface this just to make sure it's not warped or anything. So I'm just gonna basically deck it and then I can weld it onto the valve. So now all I've got to do is I've got to add this 90 because on his actual exhaust, this was going straight to a muffler. So when this cutout was there, it was literally going to be right against a muffler. And I didn't like that, so I'm just adding this 90 right there and we'll get this baby done. Looks sweet. Not pretty, but not ugly at the same time. That's gonna be pretty sick. Didn't turn out too bad. Those are the craziest colors I've seen out of my welder for sure. That's wild. Tom's gonna pull her in. Got her all welded in. Didn't turn out too bad. Things looking sick. Hit the open button. Close it. Open again. That's sick.
Okay, you ready?
For
I'm gonna start her up closed.
Open her up. Close it. Open her. Oh yeah. Is that open?
Oh yeah.
Close it now. Closed.
Stealth mode.
Turn it back open. Open. Now close it. Now rev it. That's so sick.
Yeah.
Looks all fancy too.
That's what this fucking turd thing's doing.
Is it closed?
No, I think it's open. I don't know. What'd you hit?
I don't know, I
It
just
was
hit
open.
close. Do you have to like just click and hold?
Yeah, we said hold it. Yeah, it's closed right now.
Now it's closed. Open. It's not that loud, eh?
Maybe the cats
Closed.
are real fucking good.
Oh, no kidding.
Are you holding it?
Like just fucking real quick.
You gotta hold it for like 2 seconds, maybe. Hold it for 2 seconds open. Yeah, that's open.
Yeah, oh yeah. What are you doing? Driving all over the place. Now we'll keep her down and I'll close it. Keep the gas down.
Oh.
Floor it. Then just shut it and now it's quiet. Screaming. Now we'll close it. Why do you drive off the road? Holy dude! You are literally insane. Just all over the place. Oh my god.
I think that was
Or we lost. Is that the slow cooker? Yeah.
Oh.
It's a slow cooker.
we lost.